Christian from swimfreestyle.com. Today we're gonna learn how to swim the freestyle in 3 steps, and I'm gonna remind you what are the simple way to learn how to swim freestyle. So we have a lot of beginners who ask on the YouTube channel how to swim the freestyle, how to master it and things. So remember guys, the first thing for freestyle is to be comfortable, relax and to feel. Then the intention is to glide forward and to stretch your muscles, okay? It's not a fight. It's all about sensation and enjoying the movement and the glide. So step number 1, very simple. You know to blow your bubbles. You know how to stretch your arms forward. We will just learn how to do the streamline. So you can be here over there. Edgar, vas-y viens avec moi. You can be over there. Ah, sorry, I forgot to introduce Edgaro. Edgarino over there is the cameraman for today. Say hi, Edgaro.
Hey guys.
Okay, so step 1, you just need to learn how to do your streamline. Learn how to glide on the surface, put your chin down, your head under your arms. So I take a big breath, I push and I glide. Okay, I will do it again. Okay, so we just did it for 4 meters. Very simple. Your hands forward, your chin down, you blow your bubbles on the surface. Very simple to master. Okay, step 2, it's time to learn how to use your arms, the stroke. So when you pull, remember to keep your elbows up. So you push in the water with your hands, so the pressure will be over there, and on your forearms. So you need to learn how to pull in the water with your arms until the end, bring back your arms on the front and then glide. So for this, very easy. Let's take a board. Okay, so I have my board here. I'm a beginner. You can take any board you want. Remember the board, don't push the board. You need to push the board forward, don't push the board down, okay? Come Edgarino. So, learn how to pull and pull and pull. Feel the movement, same distance, just do your streamline, arrow position, and start to pull with your hands. Okay, one more time. Okay, so you need to feel it. You feel the pressure under your hands and you feel it helps you to move forward, okay? So now we can do the same without the board. Now freestyle, when you will swim your freestyle, it's with no board, so I'll put the board there. And I will learn how to do it with my hands on the surface. So it's the same things you will try to learn your freestyle with your hands gliding forward. Okay, be careful, don't fall in the water, okay? Try to keep your hands gliding on the front, on the surface, so I can see your skin on the surface. So I take a big breath, I blow my bubbles, and I will pull 3 times. Okay, no need to worry about how to breathe for now. Just 3 strokes without breathing up, just blow your bubbles. One more time. 1, touch, 2, touch, and touch. Okay, so I can move forward. Okay, after a certain point of time, you need to breathe because you cannot keep going like this forever. You need some air. So you need to learn how to breathe. So let's say we're gonna breathe after the 3rd stroke. So we do the same things, 1 and touch, 2 and touch. And now I want to breathe. So turn your head on the side, pull with your hands and turn your head in the same time on the side you are pulling. So turn and pull, breathe. Remember when you breathe, right? Don't go up. If you go up, your legs behind you will sink. So try to stay as close than you can from the water surface and keep your eye in the water when you breathe. Don't use your arms as a pillow. Try to put your head inside the hole over there, but not on your skin. So it will look like one pull, bubbles, touch your hands. Two pull, bubbles, touch your hands. Turn on the side, breathe. Ice in the water. Go back inside the water before your hands. And back. Okay? So let's try slowly. The idea is to be relaxed, guys. Huh? So no need to put pressure. Super slowly. Okay, so I can do it one time, and then after you continue on the other side. So 1, 2, turn on the right, 1, 2, turn on the left. Okay, I'll put my little ears band, so my hair, up, and my glasses. Easier with this, right, Edgaro? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's try for maybe 8 meters, a little bit more. Same things. Touch, touch, turn on the right, ice in the water, touch, touch, turn on the left, and touch. Don't forget, when you turn your head, don't sink your hands. Huh? At that time, keep your hands gliding forward. Slowly try to feel you are gliding forward. Okay, so that's for the freestyle touch. So the real freestyle, guys, this is the step number 3. I repeat, huh? Step 1, streamline. Step 2, learn how to pull with a board in your hands. Step 3, learn how to do the freestyle without the board, but with your hands touching each other. The real freestyle is not like touching your hands each other. The real freestyle is actually gliding with your hands one by one. So it will be like you are here, instead of touching and touching, learn how to relax. Shoulders, elbows, try to feel it. The idea, right, is to glide on the surface. Don't go sinking, glide on the surface. Open your hands like your shoulders wide. You're here, instead of being like this, you're gonna open. And from that open position, after my pull to the end, lift up your elbows, relax your hands, and try to throw your hands as far as possible to touch the surface of the water as far as possible. If you hit the surface with your hand, after this, don't sink. Glide underwater and stretch with your shoulders and your nails, okay? So it will look like I finish my stroke, lift up your elbows, relax your arms, try to drop your hand as far as possible, touch the water, and glide underwater as far as possible. Same with the other hand. So it will look like 1, stretch and glide, 2, stretch and glide. Then the other hand can go when this one is coming back. Stretch and glide, you know, they work together. Huh? This one glide, this one pull. Pull, stretch, relax elbows. Pull and stretch, relax elbows. Pull and stretch. And listen to the sound. Back, 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 back. Avoid to fight. Avoid to be like a robot. It has to be smooth. Okay? So let's try slowly. I open. The difference is not like this anymore. It's open. And touch, glide, pull. And touch, pull and glide. My hands go back, touch, pull and glide. All right, very slowly. Same, turn at number 3, huh? The turning is the same. Turn at number 3, breathe, go back, stretch and pull. Okay guys, so you can download on Learn to Swim app on your smartphone. We have an application for iPhone and for Android. Have a look. You can also check the website swimfly.com if you would like to have some class with us or have some tips additional, and keep us dropping some comments. We are very happy to keep helping you guys. Hope this video helped you. This is Christian from swimfreestyle.com. See you again. Bye bye.